So Richard bro, when did you start, when did you climb Kilimanjaro the very first time?
The very first time I was 16 years old.
16 years old?
Yes, I was a student. So it was a student trip. And it was really tough for me. Then I was telling to myself I will never ever climb again.
Okay.
Yes. But after I finished the school, the secondary school, I thought well to be a teacher. And my family, they were not able to pay me to continue with the studies. So I told myself to start working as a potter. So I worked as a potter for 4 years. Then I become a cook for 2 years. Then I save up to go to school for 1 year. Then I become a guide.
Got you. So what's your schooling look like? Like, are you like until what? What's your education background?
Until the secondary school.
Secondary school. Yeah. Wow. It's very slippery.
Yes, fantastic.
So Richard bro, so what is the total years of experience? Can I say from 16 to whatever it is right now? Wow, 16 to 36. Almost 20 years, guys.
Yes.
20 years. So Richard bro, in 20 years, have you ever came back from Kilimanjaro peak unsuccessfully?
Just 3 times.
2 times? Very few times?
Like 2 times. One time the people did that of lava towers. Second time the people give us a Shira too.
Oh, it's because of your clients.
Yes, it's because of the client, not because of me.
Oh, got you. Okay.